Softube VCA Compressor is a VCA compressor from Softube, as the name suggests. I use this plugin for bus compression here or the glue purpose. I know it's a weird plugin to be used on the mastering stage, but I love weird stuff. And I want to test it on this song. So ratio is 1.4 to 1 and attack and release is as follows. No punch, no high frequency makeup, and a little bit of makeup for output signal as it compresses. So let's check. It adds a little bit of brightness, like most of bus compressors that they manipulate audio quality and the channel's tonal quality, and it balances those percussive sounds like drums and percussions with vocal. It's like they all are in sync and they all are related together. They are glued, as they say. And it's really lovely. Audio is a little bit wider and Stereofield's audio materials are punchy and stronger than normal or without this plugin. And audio is tighter, but it's loose at the same time. When VCA compressors are used on mix bus or mastering bus, they have a bad effect on audio materials, like they are choking them up, and it's not interesting for me at least. But this one is doing pretty good. I know with higher ratios it will go crazy and it will start working like a limiter, but with lower ratios, lower than 2, it's working great on mastering bus at least. On the mix bus, you need to change ratio or depends on your audio materials, how to set it up. But now I'm pretty happy with the result. There is an output drive too. Let's check this too. Look at this meter. It goes red and it starts to flickering to red. It's interesting. You can go dirty or clean with this drive, with this saturation option. You could go dirty with all the way to right, or keep it clean yet saturated almost on the 12 o'clock. It has a great effect. The center audio materials or phantom center audio materials are concentrated, are boosted, are enhanced, but the stereo field left or right audio materials, those audios that are on the side, stay almost intact, and it's really smart. It's not just a compressor, just a VCA compressor. It's a brilliant work. I always liked Softube because it was real. Its plugins felt real and they really sounded good compared to other analog simulations. You name it, whatever you like. Softube always is different, and this plugin is a proof of that. I really like it. Every option in this compressor, each and every function has been put there for a reason, and it can deliver you a lot of possibilities, not just for adding punch or adding high frequency makeup. It will change the compressor's work or the audio that you are hearing. So let's check this high filter, high frequency makeup. It has a clean, solid boost on higher frequencies. If you want to use this function on this compressor, you better not add a lot of high boosts on the mix or on the mastering, and you would keep room for this function, because as much as it's musical and it's lovely, I really like this solid boost. It's like a boost from a solid equalizer. As much as I love it, but it might sound thin if you are overdoing high frequency boost in the mix or in the mastering. So considering that, it's really great. I really like it. And let's go check punch. So because punch makes it aggressive and makes compressor more engaged, I decreased threshold, or let's say increased the threshold. It engages more for percussive instruments. I don't think it would be good, at least for this genre, to have punch activated, but it could be beneficial for mixing drums, let's say percussions, or these kinds of instruments. On the mastering, I rather keep it clean as possible. So this button makes it more aggressive. It's not what I seek or what I want when I'm using a compressor or mastering. It works great. It's just amazing. I know a lot of VCA compressors that doesn't sound good on most of audio materials, and they have lower compatibility with audio materials, as if a tube compressor is compatible with, let's say, 90% of audio materials, they are compatible with 30 or 20% of audio materials. So this VCA is sounding amazing and is compatible with almost everything you have in the mix. You could use it to level, for leveling processes, or engaging and compressing, or infinity limiting as infinity ratio and limiting as you see here. So thank you Softube for doing an amazing job. I know it's been a while this compressor is out there, but my perspective is always a different perspective on the plugins. So I recorded this video and explained what I hear and what I think. I hope this was informative and useful. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.